Hey everybody, hey. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. I hope y'all are doing okay today. I'm having a good day. We got a great recipe for you today. And I'm ready to get started. We're not going to talk y'all too much today because this is a simple recipe. This is going to be, you can use it as a dip or a dressing, as a sauce or something like that. But it's a great recipe and I've seen it floating around for a while now. And it's called the Green Goddess Dressing, okay? I'm going to show you how to make it today. So this recipe is calling for 1 cup of mayonnaise. We're going to go ahead and squirt some mayonnaise over in our food processor. You're going to want to mix it up in a food processor or a blender. Something that can handle, it can do the mixing. So we got our 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can do half a cup if you want to as well. Also, it is going to call for a 1/3 cup of sour cream. Just going to go ahead and add that in there. There we go. Some anchovy paste. Tablespoons of the anchovy paste. And I found this in a tube. I thought it was cool. So about 3/4 cups of parsley. You can use the seed. Okay. So the next thing we're going to use is some basil. So I'm going in with about a 1/2 cup of basil. There we go. We got basil. Next thing we're going in with is, you can put in chopped chives or scallions or either some white onions, some of those. So we got some white onion in there. Then we're going to go in with some lemon juice, the equivalent of 2 tablespoons of either fresh lemon juice or either the bottled kind. Today I'm using the bottled kind, and it's going to be 2 tablespoons, okay? Alright, so we got some of that squeezed over in there. The next thing we're going in with is some salt. We got to add some seasoning to this because we want it to taste good. So for the salt, you're going to add in about 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon amount, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. That's going in. And then we're going to go ahead and blend this up. Put my lid onto mine. Y'all, I forgot one thing. I just thought about it. I'm adding in a bunch of green onions, okay? So I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm adding that to the recipe. And I'll bring y'all back when it's done. Alright, y'all. So it's done blending. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. A mason jar. And keep it in the refrigerator. Because y'all, I eat this with use it as my vegetable dip when I'm eating carrots and celery, cucumbers. I put it on my salads. It is awesome. You can put this on top of your fish, salmon. Y'all, this is amazing. Please don't knock it until you try it. Green Goddess dressing. And you can keep it in the refrigerator. I didn't make that much. But this is how I make it. Let me show y'all. And depending on how much herbs you use, it could be dark green, light green, medium green, but that's the color of mine. And you can just put it in the refrigerator and use it for your dips, your dressing, and things like that. Alright, so I hope y'all have a good day.